Hi and welcome to another Scratch tutorial. I said in this blue game that once I got 30 views, I'd try to make a YouTube video, and I got 30, I have 35 right now, so I'm going to try and make a YouTube video. So, if you're watching this, then I succeeded. Okay, so we're going to get a new project, and while this is loading, we're going to go to Blue, my actual game, and I'm going to show you. We're gonna see inside. So without seeing inside, we'll go here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna call this player. So now that you know what we're gonna do, we're gonna okay. We're gonna go to costumes. Delete this. Zoom in, and we're gonna make our guy. So this is, you can make like green or whatever you want to make. So you can make it whatever you want, but I made mine with pixels and it's kind of cool, but you can make it however you want. Right now I'm not going to do it the same way that I did it before. I'm just going to make a square. And I'm going to okay, so that looks kind of cool. I'm just going to do that to the other side. You can make your square or circle or whatever you want to make it, however you would like. Yeah, like I said, I made my first one with pixels, but I decided this video I'll change it up a bit. I'll make it like this. Untitled 16, that's what this is called. I did not know I had 15 other untitled things. Okay. There we go. So if we do this, okay, that looks kind of cool. Rounded edges. There you go. So it still just looks like a box, but that's okay. So in my backpack, what do I have? I'll get some code. Oh yeah, this code is, yeah, that is the trail. These two things make the trail, which is pretty cool. But this other stuff is just my intro. This is my real color, my intro, not the blue. But so here we go. We got this. Here. What I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go here, and I'm just gonna actually duplicate all this code put in my backpack, and then I'm gonna explain it to you. So I don't have to do all the type it all out and everything. Hopefully this will fit in my backpack. Okay, it worked. That's good. I'm gonna put this in my backpack. Okay, it worked. That's good. Okay, so we're gonna go to this, into the backpack. I'm gonna put these scripts out here. Okay. So we have level X and Y. And the X and Y are they're all variables. They should be just for the sprite, but that's okay. And then level. So we're gonna first have it go to here, and we're not gonna have it go to here. We're gonna have it go to like right here. So actually 172 is fine because that's just a little off, and then yeah, actually that's the same exact spot. So pretty much set Y to 0 and change Y by Y. So we have Y and it's changing Y by Y. And so if the up arrow key pressed and Y is less than 0 and mouse down, or that's what it is, and then and really touching sprite 2, then set Y to 10. It's going to change Y by 10. It's also going to change Y by 8. Setting Y by 8 just to give it a little boost. And this is mobile, so if mouse down and the Y position, mouse Y, the position of the mouse is greater than the position of the player, plus 20. So then it's gonna change Y. Oh yeah. Then it's gonna change Y by minus 0.5. Now, if touching sprite 2, then if Y is less than 0, then set Y to 0. If 0 is less than Y, then change Y by Y times minus 1, and then set Y to minus 5. Then repeat until not touching sprite 2. Change Y by 1. Oops. Okay. And if touching bounce, oh, and sprite 2, it doesn't have sprite 2, but touching bounce, then set Y to 12 and change Y by 16. So what we need to do, oh yeah, and then here, I'm not going to go through the whole thing with the X position either, but you can look at it. So just have all this. It's mobile. Okay. So we're going to make a sprite 2, because we need a sprite 2. So we're going to paint a sprite 2, and it needs to be blue because this game is called Blue, but you can make it whatever you want, because you don't need to make it called Blue, even. Okay. So I'm just going to make the ground for once. And then, okay, it needs to be at 0, 0. It always goes to 3628, and I have no idea why, but it does. Okay, so what we're going to do is forever, we're going to switch the costume to level. So it's always going to switch the costume to level. But this is only going to do it once, so we should have it in a forever loop. Like that. And really, if we do this, if we start the game like that, it's not falling. The player should be falling. Why is the player not falling? Change Y by... Wait, let me put this back in for a minute. see, does the right and left arrow keys? No, they don't work. Something is up. Let's put this right here. Let's do this. Okay. I know what the problem is. I just figured it out. What I have is... Okay, I don't know where this was. Probably right here. Okay. It's when I receive start, and that is because my entry is supposed to go before it, but we don't want that. So, we just want it to go automatically. Okay, that worked. Well, not really, because it's going right through the floor, but that can be easily changed from just sprite 2. It actually works. Just all you had to do is change it to sprite 2. Okay. So you can jump up and down. It's kind of slow, but that's okay. I'm jumping when I do that. So it's working. We got a platformer right here. Now, okay, I've got a little bit more time left. So let's just do something pretty cool. Let's just add the trail, because I think that is cool, the trail effect. Okay, so what this is doing, this trail effect does, is it's always creating a clone of itself. And when it starts as a clone, it's going to, 20 times, it's going to change the ghost effect by 5, so it's going to get a little bit dimmer, and then it's also getting smaller. And if we just highlight this, and highlight this. Okay, that's not working. When I'm moving, I got this trail behind me. Which is really cool. Okay, now you can't go to next levels though. And we're gonna need to fix that. But we will have to save that for another video. But in the next video, we will make it so you can go to next levels. That'll be cool. So, thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe. And go ahead and go down there and play Blue, the actual game.